Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a little review of the You Cool Me individual lashes. Now I actually got an email from You Cool Me and they asked me if they could send me out some lashes, and of course I said yes. I absolutely love trying individual lashes. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys my little 2 cents on what I think of these lashes, because I think they are absolutely fantastic. Like, I'm not even going to hold you guys back with this. These are the best individual lashes that I've ever tried so far, honestly, and I've tried a lot. These lashes that I've got on today are these lashes, and I've basically done 2 16 at the ends, 2 14s, and then a little 12 in the middle there, and that's basically how I created this lash. Now it is a little bit more dramatic. I have done a set where I basically just used all the size 12s, and as you guys can see, the ones are a lot more kind of natural and a lot more smaller. So I did go a little bit more voluminous today. I did go a little bit more wilder. I have done a little tutorial as well that I'll include in this video. I just wanted to let you guys know about this brand because I think they're absolutely awesome. You can find their link for their website in my description, and you can also get them on TikTok shop as well, so definitely check out there. You get everything in a whole kit. You get the bond and the seal. This is really good because it is clear. If you are like myself, I absolutely love a clear bond. I am not a fan of the black bonds, just because black is a lot more messier, and when you're putting it on, you're coating more black onto your lashes. So I just prefer the clear because it's just so much easier and it's less mess. You also get the little lash remover as well, and this is really good for when you're taking them off. It basically just oils the lashes right down and makes it really easy to take off. It's super good as well. I've used that too. And here is the bond and seal as well. Super easy to use. You also get a little pair of tweezers as well, which just look like this. And I love the fact that this is a little small nib on the end here, because some of the other kits that I've experimented with, like the Ardell ones, are a lot bigger. So nothing wrong with them at all. I just really like this, and ever since I've been starting to use these, as you guys can tell, I'm definitely going through these like anything at the moment, and my daughter actually really likes them too. My daughter's 10, and like, it's summer holidays and stuff, so I don't mind her experimenting with a little bit of makeup and whatnot when she's off, but obviously not for school. She wanted some of these on too because she wanted to know how easy they were to basically put on, so I put a little set on her and she absolutely loved them. She wanted them done every single day. I think they lasted about 2 days on her before they started kind of falling off. They've definitely lasted about 2 days for me as well. I probably personally wouldn't leave them on any longer than that, just because, like, I'm strange, like, I like to rub my eyes and stuff at night. Sometimes my eyes water, like, yeah, so they wouldn't last any longer than that for me. But you could probably get a good couple of days out of these lashes because they are absolutely great. Honestly, they stick so well. Once they dry down, these lashes feel like your normal lashes. They don't feel really hard and like really fake and plasticky like some lashes can feel. But these ones actually dry down really nice, so it feels like your actual lashes. So it does, so it's really good. But yeah, that is my little review on these lashes. So these are currently my favourite individual lashes, and I'll leave all the links and stuff in the description if you want to check them out.